Contamination by personnel. The skin, hair, and clothing of manufacturing personnel are major sources of contamination of drug products. Loose skin flakes and hair contain microorganisms. When they fall away from the body, they can then enter the environment and contaminate anything they land on. This includes pharmaceutical raw materials, intermediates, unpackaged products, and production equipment. Clothing can also be a source of contamination, as particles or fibers can detach themselves and enter the atmosphere. The more particles that a particular item of clothing sheds, the more potential it has to contaminate the products. Following dress codes. Dress codes for different areas vary from company to company. You must follow the required dress code for each area in your company's facility. Dress codes are usually specified in Standard Operating Procedures, or SOPs. The dress code states what PPE is required for a particular area. It is essential that you wear the required PPE while working in an area. Some clothing is specially made to minimize the number of particles it sheds, so wearing the incorrect type of clothing may result in product contamination. PPE must also be clean at all times. If dirty PPE is worn, there is a very high risk of product contamination.